Good day everyone, Javanda here again with assignment 4. So today we will install and configure Dhcp. As most of us may know, the Dhcp stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and basically a Dhcp server dynamically assigns an IP address and other network configuration parameters to each device on a network so that they can communicate with other IP networks. So that means that the computer will generate an IP from a range of numbers or a scope. So let's get started. We're going to go into our server and we're logging in as admin. Once we're in here, we will go to server manager. We're clicking on roles. Wait for this to load. And then we're going to add roles. We're going to look for the Dhcp server and we're clicking on that. Clicking next. And then they will just give you some information here. We click next again. And as you can see, this is the IP address. So click next again. We're going to click, so this is the preferred DNS server. And we're clicking next. Next again. Click next again. And we are disabling Dhcp version 6. Click next. Click next. And then we are going to install. So we'll be back once it's just finished installing. Alright, so the installation has finished. So we're going back in here to roles. We're going to click on the Dhcp server and then our server 2008 javana.com. What we're going to do here is we're going to right click on IPv4 and new scope. So we're going to do through the process of creating a new scope. We're going to press next and we're going to type in a name. We will type in Javanda underscore scope and we will click next. So here we would enter a range of addresses that we can use. So here we would start with 192.168.0, let's say 10, and end with 192.168.0.175, and then we're going to click next. So here they asking you to add exclusions. So we're going to exclude 192.168.0.10, and we're going to end 192.168.0.20. We're clicking add and then next. So we are going to, for here, this is the least duration. The least duration specifies how long the client can use an IP address from this scope. So let's say, let's go down to 0 days. Let's say 5 minutes. Right? Click next. Here we would be clicking no, click next, and then finish. So here you can see the scope. So we're gonna click on here. Here you'll see the scope. We're gonna right click on it and click on activate. So now what we're gonna do is log into our Windows Vista. Alright, so we're logged on to Vista. We're gonna go into network sharing center, manage network connection, right click on properties. We're looking for IPv4 and we're going to make sure that it's ticked on obtain an IP address automatically. Click OK. We're going to right click again and go to status, go to details, and here you can see the dynamically allocated IP address. So we're going to close this and restart and come back and see if the IP address changes. Okay, so we powered off the machine and restarted. So we're going to log back into our Windows Vista. We're going into network. We're going to go into network and sharing center, manage network connections, right click in, go to status and go to details, and as you can see our IP address has changed, so which means it was allocated dynamically when we powered off. So let's close this and we're going to go into our Windows 2007 PC and do the same thing. Alright, so we're going to log into our Windows 2007 in the administrator profile. So this is my name for the administrator profile. Put in my password. So we're going to do the same thing on this machine. We're going to open network and sharing center, change adapter settings, right click on local area network, go to properties, double click on IPv4 and select obtain an IP address automatically. Click OK and then OK. Right, so we're gonna right click here now, go to status, details, and you can see we have an IP address here. So let's power off the machine and come back to see if the IP address would change. Okay, so we logged back into our Windows 2007 machine. We're gonna right click and go to network and sharing center, change adapter settings, right click status and then details, and as you can see our IP address has been changed. Thank you for watching.